friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in Kim and Arlyn's Summer Outdoor Cozy Corner Challenge. This challenge is hosted by Arlyn's Country Craft Corner. I'll link Arlyn's channel down below, and I will also link Kim's channel down below as well. I'm brand new to Kim's channel, so I'll put all of her information down in the description box. I've created a cozy space on my outside back deck, and this is perfect for those who want to sit out here and catch some early morning sunshine and grab some of that vitamin D that we all need. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The fountain that you're looking at was purchased back in the fall from QVC. It's called Create a Fountain. You can use this fountain in any type of flower pot. So I've selected the low profile pot that you see down below from the At Home store. So stay tuned for more of this little corner, and I hope you enjoy today's video. But before we get started, if you're brand new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button below, along with the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything. I have a lot coming your way within the next couple of days. If you have any questions about anything that you see, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you like anything that you see on today's video, be sure to leave a thumbs up too. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned. The tall lantern that you see in back was purchased last year on clearance at Home Goods. The little table that you see was actually purchased at Home Goods a few years ago, but they have them annually. This can be used as a table or as a stool. It comes in very handy. On top of the table is a tray that I love to use. It has one of my favorites, the little pineapple handles, and the berry basket is a new item from Dollar Tree. You'll see that in my upcoming haul. The pineapple style drink jar is from the local Walmart. That was purchased last year. They have something similar this year as well. And I'm just using actually a little salsa bowl for some pretzels. Who doesn't like to sit outside and have a snack while they relax? I know I do. This rattan chair was purchased at my local Goodwill store for $5. I'll link the $5 Goodwill Challenge video up above so that you can see the shape that this chair was in before I refinished it. The pillow is just a pillow purchased from At Home store, and I purchased the cover online. The smaller pillow is from Target last year. The seat cushion pillow was a clearance find from my local Pier 1. And you absolutely have to have some type of books or entertainment for yourself while sitting out here. I love Pottery Barn, and this is one of my favorite books, at least this summer anyway. I've had these pots for some time, and I've been looking for something different to go out here, but I haven't been lucky to find something that I like in this style or shape this year, so I'm going to stay on that hunt. But for now, I decided to go ahead and use what I have this year.